Hey there viewers, did you know that kidneys filter roughly half a cup of blood every minute? Pretty interesting, right? Kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located on either side of the spine. They play a crucial role in removing waste fluids, balancing electrolytes, and producing hormones. Since kidneys perform many powerhouse functions every day, optimizing your kidney health is very important. The goal of a kidney flush is to detoxify the kidneys and flush out toxins from the body. Today, in this video, we will share 7 natural ways to detox your kidneys at home and keep them functioning well. Number 1. Try kidney cleansing tea. A good way to do a kidney detox is to try a kidney cleanse drink. Herbal teas like hydrangea, dandelion, and sambong can help with the natural detoxification of kidneys. Hydrangea is a flowering plant and its extract can be used to make tea. A 2017 study conducted on rats showed that hydrangea could prove to be effective against kidney damage. Owing to its anti-inflammatory power, hydrangea has the ability to help reduce inflammations. Rats showed signs of reduced kidney inflammation after hydrangea extract was used to treat medically induced kidney injury. Hydrangea increases the urine produced by the body, which treats urinary tract problems. It also dissolves the deposits of calcium that can help prevent kidney stones. Another tea you can try out for a kidney cleanse is Sambong Tea. Blumea balsamifera, also known as sambong, is a subshrub found in the Philippines and India. Sambong tea has been used as herbal medicine to treat kidney stones in the Philippines for some time now. Research found that when Blumea balsamifera extract was added to calcium oxalate crystals, the crystal size began to reduce. This study shows that sambong tea has promising potential to solve the problem of kidney stones. Dandelion tea also serves as an effective kidney cleanse drink. Dandelion tea can be made from either the root or the leaves and flowers. This tea offers numerous potential health benefits ranging from preventing bladder disorders to having a positive effect on the digestive system. We are going to talk about its impact on the kidneys. Dandelion is a kidney tonic. It reduces the amount of waste that reach the kidneys. Dandelion is also an excellent source of potassium, which can help the kidney filter out the toxins better and improve the flow of blood. Number 2. Stay hydrated. The best way to keep your kidneys healthy and functioning optimally is by drinking loads and loads of water. About 70% of the human body is made up of water, and every organ in our body requires water to function optimally. The kidney, the filtering system of our bodies, also requires water to produce urine and flush out the unnecessary waste and toxins from our body. Therefore, adequate water intake will help in kidney detoxification. A lower than required intake of water can cause the formation of kidney stones. The Institute of Medicine advises men to drink approximately 3.7 liters of water and women to drink roughly 2.7 liters of water every day. Drinking a lot of water and staying hydrated is the key to ensuring your kidneys perform their duties effectively. Number 3. Eat more kidney-healthy foods. Citrus fruits, cranberries, grapes, and seaweed are considered to be very healthy foods for kidneys. Grapes contain a compound called resveratrol that is produced by plants in response to an attack by pathogens or bacteria. A study conducted on rats showed that resveratrol helped lower inflammation in rats who suffered from polycystic kidney disease. Cranberries are also a good way to detoxify your kidneys. These little sweet red berries are highly praised for treating urinary tract infections. A study showed that women who ate cranberries for 2 consecutive weeks had a lower chance of getting urinary tract infections. They prevent the growth of ulcers and bacteria inside the bladder by lowering the pH of urine, making it more acidic. Moreover, the quinic acid found in cranberries helps prevent the formation of kidney stones. Most kidney stones are formed of calcium. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons contain citric acid or citrate, which binds with calcium in the urine. This prevents the formation of calcium crystals. Moreover, citrus fruits are high in water content, and consumption of these fruits ensures sufficient water intake and hence helps prevent kidney damage. In another trial study conducted on animals, consumption of brown seaweed was shown to reduce kidney damage. Number 4. Get the right supplement and nutrients. In order to clean and detox your kidneys, it is important to incorporate supportive nutrients such as vitamin B6, omega-3s, and potassium citrate in your diet. Excess oxalate can cause the formation of kidney stones. Vitamin B6 plays a critical role in the metabolism of glyoxylate. Lack of vitamin B6 can cause glyoxylate to convert into oxalate instead of glycine. Studies have found that a high level of omega-6 fatty acids can lead to kidney stones. Omega-3s can help in naturally decreasing the metabolism of omega-6s. Eating foods rich in omega-3s such as fish and cutting back on foods high in omega-6 fatty acids such as eggs and walnuts during the detox can help with your cleanse. Potassium functions as an electrolyte and is essential for maintaining the electrolyte balance and pH balance of the urine. Intake of potassium citrate can prevent the formation of kidney stones. Adding these supplements to your diet can help you flush your kidneys. Number 5. Reduce your sodium intake. Just like potassium, sodium is both a mineral and an electrolyte. Most of the sodium in our body is found in the blood and in the fluid around the cells. It helps maintain balance in the body, regulates blood pressure, and plays an important role in proper muscle and nerve impulse contraction. However, excess sodium is harmful to the kidneys. Excess sodium intake can lead to high blood pressure or hypertension, which causes the blood vessels to become narrow and stiff. Narrow vessels reduce the flow of blood and oxygen to vital organs. This puts a strain on the heart as it has to beat harder to pump the blood. High blood pressure not only puts pressure on the heart, but it also puts pressure on the kidneys, which can lead to scarring. This can diminish the ability of the kidneys to regulate fluids, which further leads to higher blood pressure. Over time, this can cause kidney failure. In order to ensure healthy and high-functioning kidneys and heart, it is necessary for us to switch to a low-sodium diet. The American Heart Association recommends adults to consume at most 1,500 milligrams of salt every day. It is particularly important for people with chronic kidney disease to modify their lifestyle and follow a chronic kidney disease diet, because their kidneys are not able to remove extra sodium from their body, which results in sodium building up in their bloodstream and tissues. This causes their blood pressure to go up. Higher blood pressure can be more damaging to the already damaged kidneys, leading to a decline in kidney function. Number 6. Quit smoking. Another way to bring back your kidneys to optimal shape is to quit smoking. Research shows that smoking can increase the progression of chronic kidney diseases, while quitting smoking is shown to have a positive impact on kidney function. As mentioned before, high blood pressure is damaging to both the heart and the kidneys. Smoking increases blood pressure and heart rate, and this causes a negative impact on kidney function due to a lack of blood flow to the kidneys. Moreover, smoking causes harmful toxins like tobacco to enter our bodies, and since the goal of kidney detox is to get rid of all the toxins, quitting smoking would be a good way to start the cleanse. Smoking is also confirmed to increase the chances of people getting proteinuria. People with this disease have a high amount of protein in their urine and are at risk of kidney damage. Although quitting smoking is not as easy as it sounds and nicotine addiction makes it worse, the benefit of stopping smoking is worth the effort. You can try nicotine replacement therapies and nicotine patches to make this transition easier. You can also try meditation practices and join support programs to resist the temptations that force you to give in. Number 7. Reduce your sugar intake. In order to ensure that your kidneys function perfectly, it is extremely important to steer clear of sugar. Just like salt, excess sugar is a kidney-damaging food and causes renal failure. Eventually, high sugar or glucose levels in the blood can damage the many filtering units called nephrons in kidneys, causing kidneys to fail to filter blood properly and the body to start retaining more fluids and salt. In addition to renal failure, this can also contribute to weight gain and swollen ankles. High sugar intake can cause diabetes, which can in turn further increase the risk of renal failure. About 20 to 30% of diabetics develop kidney disease and suffer from declining kidney function. Diabetes is damaging to the nerves in the urinary tract, which gives way to bladder problems. It becomes difficult to empty the bladder, and pressure to hold on to the full bladder can damage kidneys. Moreover, holding urine in your bladder for a long time can also risk infection. People with diabetes are also more at risk of other kidney diseases like renal artery stenosis, which is the narrowing of the arteries that carry blood to the kidneys. Natural sugar present in fruits and dairy products is not the problem here. It is refined sugar added in processed foods that we need to avoid. A team of researchers found out that about 60% of the packaged foods that Americans buy from a grocery store contain added sugar in one form or another. The American Heart Association recommends a daily sugar intake of 36 grams for men and 25 grams for women. However, an average American is actually consuming 77 grams of sugar every day, which is 3 times more than the recommended amount. And this is why 1 in 10 Americans is suffering from diabetes. Sugar is extremely dangerous for physical health, and it is important to switch to healthier alternatives of sugar like raw honey to maintain a healthy body. Have you tried a kidney detox before? Are you willing to try one? Let us know in the comments section below. Here are 2 more videos you might find interesting. Feel free to choose the one you like. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends. And for more interesting videos on health, subscribe to the channel.